Honey, I was thinking about ways to increase our revenue from the shop.
What are your ideas?
Well, I was thinking that we could start selling some of our products online. That way we can reach a wider audience and make more sales.
That's an interesting idea. But do we have the resources and knowledge to do that?
I've been doing some research, and there are many e-commerce platforms that make it easy to set up an online store. We can also hire someone to help us if needed.
That's true. But what about the cost of shipping the products? Won't that be expensive?
We can set up a system where the customer pays for shipping, or we can offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount. Plus, we can negotiate with shipping companies for better rates.
Okay, I'm willing to give it a try. But let's start small and see how it goes before investing too much money into it.
That's a good idea. We can start by listing our best-selling products online and see how they sell.
Sounds good. Let's make a plan and get started on this. I'm excited to see where this takes us.
Me too. I think this could be a great opportunity for us to grow our business and reach new customers.
Yes, and it would also allow us to expand our product offerings beyond just what we can fit in the physical store.
Exactly. And with online sales, we could potentially increase our revenue without having to invest in a larger physical space or hiring more employees.
I like the sound of that. Let's start by taking some high-quality photos of our products and creating product listings.
Yes, and we'll also need to make sure we have enough inventory on hand to fulfill online orders.
And we should also consider offering promotions and discounts to encourage people to buy from us online.
Great idea. We can advertise these promotions on our social media pages and through email marketing.
Speaking of social media, we should also create a separate account for the online store and start building a following.
Absolutely. And we can use our existing customer base to help spread the word and drive traffic to our online store.
I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to be a lot of work, but it will be worth it if we can increase our revenue and grow our business.
Agreed. Let's get started on this right away.